The following video will show you how to set up the Falcon GSM communicator to work with the IDS X-Series panel. Make sure that the Falcon unit has a firmware version of 4.13 or later. For the X-Series, make sure the panel firmware has been upgraded to version 2.50 or later. Connect the Falcon with the IDS X-Series panel through the serial port using the serial cable and adapter marked Texacom-IDS provided. Note that the adapter must be connected to the panel serial port and that the adapter board should be on the left and the black ground wire at the top closest to the heatsink. Set the serial port format on the Falcon unit to IDS. To do this, remove power from the Falcon, hold down the push button and reapply power. Push the button to cycle through the panel serial port format options until you reach the IDS format, indicated by a small letter I. Release the button. The Falcon will remember the new serial port format. Enter the installer code. The default one is 9999. Enter the keypad followed by the asterisk key to go to the installer menu. Enter 196 followed by the asterisk key. Enter the following serial code 003456 and press the asterisk key to save. Enter 041 followed by the asterisk key. Select Contact ID as the communication format by pressing 5 and then the asterisk key to save. To program partition account codes, go to location 61 to 68, depending on the number of partitions. For the first partition, enter 061, followed by the asterisk key. Enter any 4-digit account code, example 3456, followed by the asterisk key to save. For more than one partition, repeat this step. Example, for partition 2, enter location 062, followed by the account code, and then the asterisk key to save. Enable opening and closing reporting for each partition by going to locations 211 through to 218. For the first partition, enter 211, followed by the asterisk key. Scroll to option 16 by using the scroll buttons indicated by double arrows. Set option 16 to yes by pressing the asterisk key. Press hash to return to the installer menu. For more than one partition, repeat this step. Example, for partition 2, enter location 212. Set option 16 to yes by pressing the asterisk key and press hash to return to the installer menu. To connect the panel to the MyFalcon app, go to your phone's App Store. Search for MyFalcon and tap Install. Once downloaded, open the app. Scroll through the welcome screens by tapping the arrow and select Get Started. Tap Sign Up and enter your personal details to create an account. Enter a password that is secure but one that you will remember and tap Submit. Log in with these new details. After reading through this notification, tap OK. Tap Add Panel. Once you've completed all the steps on the screen, tap Continue. Tap on Scan QR Code and scan the QR code found on the sticker at the back of the Falcon. Select your IDS panel model from the drop-down list and tap Validate. Tap Continue. Tap to set device up. Enter your user code. This is the code you use to arm and disarm your panel on the keypad. My Falcon is just retrieving information from the panel. This should take no longer than 60 seconds. You're now at the partition screen where you can perform various actions on your alarm system. To test the app, arm and disarm the panel.